back to my channel. So I have this wig from Unice. I'm not too sure what's in here. I just took the packaging of the shipping bag off of it, and here's the wig. So let's unbox this together and see what it is. Normal packaging. So let's see what this says. Straight inch. Ooh, ignore my nails. I'm about to get them done. Straight inch, 24 inch. Okay. So it comes with the bag, a robe, but she is not plus size friendly, so I can't wear her. Unice, get some plus size friendly robes so I can wear your robes in the videos, okay? So right here you have a headband and a wig cap, a Unice elastic band, a melting band, and another wig cap, all right? So yes, let's unbag the wig. So this wig is well packaged. It comes with all the stuffings. I'm starting to see a lot of companies starting to package their wigs like this, which is nice, you know, just a little bit of extra more protection when it comes to these units. And so let's take her out of the net. I'm using one hand, you guys, so I'm struggling a little bit. Some more stuffing, clips to keep the styrofoam in place. Take the styrofoam out, so you have a stock unit. All right, so this is what she looks like in the front. Of course, this is going to have to be a little bit more plucked and bleached, but it is lightly plucked, and it kind of looked like it's bleached. Okay, so you could kind of see the brassiness in the middle right here. So that area is bleached, but we're gonna go in and bleach the entire unit, because just in case if I want to do a side part. But yeah, so you could tell right here. But yeah, I'm going to have to do that. But other than that, this is a partial frontal. It comes with combs and adjustable straps. And yeah, so let's go ahead and bleach this wig. This is 24 inches and she's very soft and silky. So let's get to it. So per usual, I'm going to use my 30 volume developer with my quick blue bleach, and I'm going to take a good scoop of bleach and a scoop of developer. Is 1:1 ratio. Mix that together to get the consistency that you are looking for. So the bleach is ready. I'm going to go ahead and take my wig, flip her inside out, and apply this bleach. Now this is sped up. It looks messy because it was messy, okay? But I did get some bleach on the hair. So you are going to see me go in with a wet paper towel and get that bleach off of the front of the hairline. You know, you also are going to see me push the bleach a little bit through to make sure that the knots are bleached all the way, because sometimes knots could be very stubborn. So you want to make sure that the knots are fully coated with bleach, not just sitting under it, because yes, it will expand, but you want to make sure that it's pushed through enough to expand to cover those knots. Later in this video, you're going to see me fix a little bit of over bleaching on my part, but that's an easy fix. I would rather you make sure that all the knots are bleached than not. Okay, so I do let the bleach sit on for about 25 minutes. I do go in with purple shampoo, purple shampoo to tone. The shampoo that I use is Garnier Fructis. The conditioner that I use is silicone mix. You guys know those are my favorite. I did not show that process. I have a whole bunch of videos. Just scroll down, you'll see it. So here we are. I did pluck this a little bit It was slightly pre-plucked, and as of right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw on some baby hairs because I want to take pictures just for like my little gallery of all the wigs that I've done tried and everything like that. So I love to take pictures and post them and stuff like that. So I'm right here. I'm going to take my wax stick and some spritz, spray the hairline, pull some hair down, press the baby hairs down so it can stay in place, because as you can see, if you let it go, it's just gonna go all over the place. So you want to press it down, and then once you have the baby hair that you want, cut it and curl it. Now, baby hairs are not necessary. If you are not a baby hair person, you do not have to do this, okay? This is preference. I always say that to you guys because there's always somebody in my comments talking about my baby hairs. I currently like my baby hairs on the thicker side. I don't know when I graduated to this look, but I've actually been feeling it, especially when it comes to like straight or slightly wavy hair. So pause. Right here you see me spraying the hair, and then I'm taking an edge brush and I'm just molding it to where I want it to sit. Now, this is a hot comb. She is hot. I use a stove, not one of the plug-in ones, so it could get really hot. You want to be careful doing this. If you are not comfortable doing this, do not do this, okay? So the hot comb is warm, not hot enough to burn my lace or the hair. So basically what I'm doing is freezing the baby hairs in place. I spray it with spritz. I mold it to how I want it to sit. I take the hot comb and I like touch it to freeze it in place. And that's how I get my baby hairs to stay like that. When forward, I could take pictures. And you just want to repeat the same thing on the opposite side. So after all of those customizing, this is what she looked like after everything. Now, some wigs that I have tried lately, they are ready to wear, you know, but some other wigs, you are going to have to put some work into it to make it look nice, to like make it look decent. You know, buying a wig off the internet is one thing, but every wig does not come ready to wear. So you are going to have to do a little work, okay? So that is normal, all right? Unless you're paying a wig maker to make it for you, and then it'll come ready for that. But that's on the more expensive side, all right? So I'm just trying this wig on, and this girl is big head friendly. I had a lot of room. I'm a 22.5, 23 wig cap, or circumference for my head, and I had a lot of room. So if you are one of my best friends that struggles with sizings of wigs and they're too small, this is probably going to be the wig for you. If you are one of the best friends that have a tiny little peanut head, girl, you need to hit the company up and ask them for a smaller cap, because this one is going to be extremely too big for you, okay? So as of right now, I'm just going to go ahead and pull back my baby hairs, adjust it. I'm going to take whatever is left on my my brush where I put the makeup on my lace underneath. I'm going to take whatever. I'm not going to add any more makeup to that. I'm going to just use what I already have on there, and I'm going to brush that on the front of the hairline. I don't want it to be too cakey or anything like that, because, yeah, I just don't. So you're going to see me do that right now. After I do that, I'm going to go in with my Glueless product to adhere this wig down very quickly. So you guys know my favorite product right now to use is Red by Kiss. So lately I've been using it in a different way. So I would spray it, and then I would take my blow dryer on warm, and then I would blow dry it for at least 15 seconds. 15 seconds is long enough for it to get tacky and sticky. All right, then I'll take my lace, lay it on top, because then it'll help my lace stay in place and it won't slide. All right, so then I take the blow dryer and blow dry it completely dry, and that takes about a minute. Now, I love doing it this way. I don't know why. I just like the outcome. It's the product does not seep through the lace or anything like that, so it just gives a more cleaner look. So at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my razor and cut off my excessive lace, and then lay my baby hairs down. I can honestly say that this hair was very soft, and the luster on it was super nice. I didn't receive any shedding, but I don't expect me to, because this is just natural color, and like, why would it really shed? But again, I'm wearing it, just putting it on, so like I will have to wear it for a little bit longer in order for me to you know, gauge the tangling and the shedding for you guys. But you want to do the exact same thing you did on one side to the other, and I can honestly say that the other side that's already done looks really good.
On the beat.
Now that everything is done, I'm just going to go ahead and get my hair in place. If I have to use a hot comb, I'll use a hot comb. I'm going to brush it and comb it in place just to make sure she looks nice. But this is basically the end of this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will leave all the details to this video that I used in this video, as far as like the hairs, the tools, the products, everything will be down below in the description box for you guys. Make sure that you use that. All right. Again, if you're interested in this hair, all the information will be down in the description box for you guys. Okay. Oh, I did say that I was gonna do this. Okay. So yeah, you see that I over bleached it a little bit, but so I'm gonna take a square brush, flat brush, and I'm gonna take some hair dye, and then I'm gonna just close in my part. Now this is using actual hair dye is good, because it's gonna fix the problem of the over bleaching. So when you wash your wig, it'll still be fixed. Okay. But yeah, again, thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. Okay, don't forget to follow me on social media. I am on TikTok. I am very active on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram as well. And until next time, bye, best friends.
Train on the